Okay, let me repeat again. Last week we created this profit ratio by geography map, yeah, sales by category using area chart. Then we duplicate this to create a sales by region, sales by segment, yeah. And we create the KPI in the form of the table. Okay, now what we are going to do is to create a bar chart. Yeah, bar chart, column chart are very popular visual. And the special thing is we're going to use this bar chart as a tooltip. So when you click the map like this, yeah, so normally it's only showing the text, yeah, South Dakota profit ratio, yeah, Minnesota, okay. So I'm going to display the bar chart in the tooltip, yeah, okay. So first I open this tutorial that I already prepared for you. You can download from the Telegram. Okay, yeah. So create a bar chart for the maps tooltip. Okay, you follow this, yeah. I have put the quite step by step, but I'm going to show you quickly how to do that, yeah. So click plus button. After that, click the let me erase this if I can erase. Delete can, yeah. I just delete, yeah. So I create a new worksheet here. After that, rename. For example, I rename the this one is a tooltip. Okay, and then profit ratio by city. Okay, yeah, profit ratio by city. Okay, click OK. So automatically this change the name and the title also change the name. But sometimes your name you do not want to include this, for example, yeah. So you can edit the title to be different from this, yeah. So I can change this to for example, I change to be the profit ratio by city, yeah. By the way, the text can be static or dynamic, yeah. What is the meaning of the static and dynamic? Profit ratio by city. So this is a static text, yeah. But the dynamic text is that you can fill in the field, yeah, the variable from this, yeah. For example, I just profit by city. Okay. After that, what we are going to do is we're going to use a city and a profit by ratio here. You select both, yeah, using the control, hold the control, and then click to. Then show me, yeah. Okay. Then use the bar chart here. Okay. So now I have the bar chart. You click again, show me to hide. So you want to change the appearance, the order. Yeah, I click this icon here. Yeah. So click this to make it descending or ascending. Yeah. Okay, I think this one is nicer. Yeah. So after that, I would like to edit the color. So I'm going to change the color. Profit ratio. I put drag into the color. Yeah. So now I have the color. Then I can change the color. The range, for example, okay, edit the color. Click the edit color. Change this to the orange blue diverging, and then starting from the minus 0.5 and 0.5. Okay, yeah. So now the color is diverging in between. Yeah. Okay. Then I would like to show the label. Yeah. So in the label here, I show the mark label. And then I want to change this format, yeah, to be decimal, yeah, percentage, format number, percentage, and then 1 decimal point. Okay, looks like better, yeah, the bar chart. Okay, so I have done that. Let me check the step. Yeah, so change the title and then select the bar chart. Yeah, and then after that, yep. So change the order and then change the color, change the display the label, and then also format the number into the percentage, one decimal. Okay. Okay. Do you want me to wait for you? You want to try to make this? So maybe I give you 2-3 minutes to create something like this in your Tableau worksheet. Yeah. Here, profit ratio by city. Okay. Let's continue. Yeah. So normally, you can also display the tooltip like this. Yeah. So if I move the mouse hovering this, I can see the tooltip. Okay. But because this is going to be a tooltip for the map, then I need to disable. Yeah. So click the tooltip, then do not show the tooltip. Okay. So apply. Okay. Now you see, when I move the mouse hovering this, I don't see anything. Yeah. Okay. So disable the tooltip. Yeah. After that, we're going to disable the tip. Okay, we're going to link this to the map, yeah, to make it a tooltip for the map. Okay, so I click this profit ratio by geography. Okay, this one, yeah. So initially the tooltip is like this. So I'm going to change. Yeah, so in the tooltip, click the tooltip. Okay, so I'm going to change by insert. Yeah, insert. After that, the sheets. After that, this tooltip profit ratio by city. Okay, and then click OK. So now when I click, you see, it will show me the bar. Sorry, yeah, bar chart in the tooltip. Okay. Of course, in the tooltip, you can also add some more. Yeah, such as the here. I would like to add the state like this. Okay. Then in the tooltip here. Okay. Yeah. So anything in the angle bracket is basically a dynamic. Yeah, this is dynamic state. Yeah, state profit ratio overall. I can erase. Then after that, rebuild again. Yeah, by inserting like this. Yeah, insert the state. Okay, and then after that, profit ratio obesity. After that, insert again. Yeah, what things you want to put here is up to you. Yeah. So now I have this Wyoming profit by ratio. You see there is a no gap, yeah, between the Wyoming and profit ratio by city. North Dakota, yeah, Texas. Okay, so I go back here, then make a space, yeah, or you want to put the state behind profit ratio by city, and then for state, then colon, yeah. After that, I put the state here. So I can format, yeah. I can format how the tooltip. And this one, I want to make it bold, yeah. And then red, yeah. Bold, after that, the red color, like this. Okay, click OK. Okay. So you have learned how to create a bar chart and then a link to the map and then make it as a tooltip. Okay, yeah. Quite nice, right? Okay. So what other thing that you can do other than this bar chart? Yeah, you click again the plus button, and then what do you want to show? For example, city and okay, the same, yeah, same city and profit ratio, but show me. Okay, you want to do this map, yeah, and then this bubble, yeah, or you can choose, yeah. For example, I use a column chart. Okay. Okay. So here profit ratio, and then after that by city. Okay. Wait. Why I didn't click correctly. So let me city and then profit ratio. Yeah. Okay. After that show me. I would like to create this one. Okay, it's correct. Yeah, okay. I think we have to put the column city here. So the row is the profit ratio. Okay, no, just put here in the correct place. And then the city is in the row here. Okay, yeah, this is more makes sense. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Yep. So you can change manually by dragging the profit ratio in the column and then the city in the row. Okay, yeah, so the appearance like this. Then again, you can also format it, similar like just now. Okay, can we change that to the other? For example, yeah, if you have the other measure, you can put the, for example, I remove this, yeah. I use the between the quantity and sales, yeah, quantity and then the sales like this. So maybe yeah, like this, yeah. So I create a cluster column chart, but the scale is too much different, yeah. So here in the column I use the cities here, and then the measure value, not measure name. Just know I would like to some quantity and some sales, yeah. Yeah, that's correct. Measure value is quantity and sales. Okay, then the column, I do not need this. Okay, and then row is city. So maybe I just change this to like this. Okay. Then the scale, you can change the scale. This measure value, show header, include tooltip, format the number to be the currency. Okay, and then after that, okay, did I choose this one or choose this one? I think this one is a stack. Yeah, you see the blue and this one, not the cluster column. Okay, so the row is a city, measure value. This is the city. Okay, so need to familiarize in the formatting this. Yeah, edit the axis. So automatic include the zero, the scale, yeah, reverse or algorithm, uniform axis range for all row or column, yeah, fix, for example, you can start from 0 and then this is 269. You want to change to the maybe just 50,000 like that. Okay, so more higher, yeah, or 25, 30,000. Okay, so the chart is better, yeah. Tick marks, yeah, automatic or fixed or none, yeah. Okay, so many things that you can do, and then I would like to, for example, I rename this uh, column chart. Yeah. So be careful with the conventions naming. Yeah, you can see here column. Yeah, so column is this. Last time I was a bit confused because what I thought the column is the vertical axis. Yeah, but here actually the column is this one, the horizontal. Yeah, the column is the meaning that this city and machine name will be used as the label of the horizontal axis. And then row is a measure value here. Yeah. So normally we call it the Y, yeah? But this is in the Tableau we call it as a row. So the opposite. Yeah. Okay. And then after that coloring. Yeah. This is the color by the measure name. Yeah, the measure name is this, which is this. Yeah, the quantity and sales. Yeah, quantity and sales. There are two measure name. Okay, and you want to change the color, not the blue and orange. You can click this, and then sorry, in the color, edit the color. So for example, quantity, I want to change to green. Automatic Tableau 10. Yeah, okay. Reset. Yeah, okay. So change already. Just take a time a little bit then. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's how to change the color. Okay, and then you want to try to create the other. I think the most classic is the pie chart. Yeah. So pie chart, I would like to sales by region. I think region is not too many. Yeah, we can make it as sales by region. Okay, pie chart here. Okay, this is the pie chart. East, yeah, west. So you want to show the label. Okay, yeah. And then after that, the size, make it bigger. Okay. Okay, too big. Okay. Then you want to display the label. Yeah. Just now, marks to label. Okay. Then the angle, track dimensions. Okay. For example, can we do this? Yep. So angle is currently quantity. Yeah. You can remove this. So the way we configure in the Tableau is whatever you want to make it as one of these. We call it this as a shelf. Yeah? color, size, label, detail, tooltip, angle, you can drag to here. For example, in the tooltip, I want to display uh, the state. Yeah, then I just drag here, make it in the tooltip. Yeah, so now here tooltip I have this. So I click, then I have this state. Yeah, which is you see the icon. Yeah, the difference. Yeah. So what is the meaning? Meaning that I have the tool in the tooltip here. Yeah, tool in the tooltip. And then I have the some cells, yeah, in the size here. Okay. In the label, I want to display the name of the region. So I click the region into the label. Okay. So now you see Central West are displayed in the label. But I don't want to display the label. I want to display for example, the profit ratio. Yeah. So I replace this in the label. I put the profit ratio, or it can be display both. Yeah. If I don't want to make this region in the label, I click that. After that, remove. Okay. And I can change the format. For example, this is the profit ratio in the decimal. I would like to change this to the format number, then percentage. Yeah, with a single decimal value. Okay, like this. Yeah. So slightly different compared to the Power BI. The formatting, everything is here. Okay. Let's go back to the, this one is a pie chart. I renamed to pie chart. So in the column chart, same thing. Here, currently the label. Yeah, I want to show the label, this is sales. So the sales, I drag to the label here. Okay, so I can see the label. Yeah. For example, the label is, I want to format the label. Yeah, click. After that, format the number to the currency with the 0 decimal. Okay, yeah. Okay, then for the sales quantity, I want to display in the number without decimal. Number, yeah. Then no decimal. Okay, you see here. Quantity, oh, the quantity should not have the currency. Number. Okay, strange because it has the currency. Quantity should not have. Oh, this one is in the tooltip. Yeah. Okay. Some sales. Some quantity. Format number. It's not changed automatically. Okay. What I expect is this remove the dollar sign. Yeah. But that's right. Yeah. Okay. So if this stop because of the time expired, so I'm going to continue again at 10 o'clock. Okay. So what we have learned in summary, we have learned how to create the bar chart, and format the bar chart, and then use it as a tooltip for the map. Yeah. And I also have already shown you how to create the other chart, yeah? Column chart, pie chart. In the next session, 10 o'clock, I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard, yeah? The collection of the multiple view in a single page. Okay. Yep. Any questions? Okay. Someone? Okay. Can someone reply? Can you hear me? So far, okay. Yeah? Stephen, thank you. Okay. In that case, then I close this sessions, and we'll continue at 10 o'clock. Yeah, 10 o'clock. I'm going to show you how to create the dashboard. Okay.